YouTube, what's happening? I have this special unboxing for you guys to check it out. I purchased this, it's almost like similar to MagSafe, like an Apple product. It's a magnetic charging device for your Apple iOS and Android. They make for both. So I hope this is 2-in-1. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this unboxing for you guys to check it out, because I ordered two. One of them was 2-in-1 and the other one was for Android. Let's go ahead and do the unboxing real quick. Yep, so this is 2-in-1. So as you can see, it comes with this special white Ziploc package. I guess they try to copy Apple. Normally that's how they Ziploc it. Sure, you can zoom in. So let's go ahead and do this unboxing real quick. Take off on the bag. Okay, so it comes with the two connector. One is a lightning bolt, and the other one's a micro USB charging cable, charging port, as you can see right there. Well, unfortunately, this one only uses a micro USB charger, so you cannot use your lightning bolt with this. So if you are an Apple fan, you will need to get the micro USB charger. Lucky I have it on hand for both. As you can see, I got this lightning bolt charger and then micro USB charger. Get ready to show you guys. It's already plugged into the wall already. So I didn't know what kind of charger it came with, required to plug into to charge. So I got both of them out. So all you do is just plug this micro USB charger to your charging cable. Let's see. Just like that. And it is, I believe, reversible. So you could go this way or that way. Just almost like a USB type C. So I have this Alcatel, which is require a micro USB charger. So as you can see, there's a port right there. I'm gonna plug this in. Make sure it's the right direction. Okay, just like that. And all you do is just plug this bad boy in. And it's magnetized. You hear that sound? Once I plug it in, see, now it says charging right now. So you see that lightning bolt, and it's charging at 46% right now. So let me try to reverse it and see if it works. So I'm gonna flip it. As you can see, this indicator with the arrow is, it was original charge like this way. I'm gonna flip it Oh, there's a green LED light over there. So when I plug in, it shows a blue LED. So I guess that means charging. And then once it's fully charged, it should turn to green, I think. But I don't know, when it's unplugged, it shows green. But normally green means fully charged. Because I'm tilting the angle with the cable moving around, so that's why you hear that sound. But as you can see, it's charging. So it is pretty good because in case you walk by the cable and yank it out, and it's not going to destroy your charger. As you can see, the Apple introduced the MacBook Pro, but somehow they are using the USB Type-C charger for their MacBook Pro now. But unfortunately, they did not come with the MagSafe anymore. I don't know why they did that. They're going backward instead. In case what happens if you run into the cable or walk by the cable, you're gonna yank it out and mess up the charging port. So I have a iPhone 5 right here. I'm gonna test it out for you guys. I'm just gonna plug in this lightning adapter with the MagSafe. As you can see, and I'm gonna use my micro USB to this special adapter, and then I'm gonna plug in or just magnetize it. As you can see, it shows 76%, and you can see the lightning indicator right there. That means it's being charged. So I'm going to reverse it and plug it back in. So it turned blue, and you see it's charging. Okay. So this is also work with all the Apple product that uses this. As long as you have lightning adapter with your Apple product, this will work for all of them. Okay. So this is Apple iPad mini. I'm gonna plug this one in, same thing, just like that, and then I'm gonna just let it magnetize, and as you can see, it shows charging 29% with the lightning bulb over there indicator. Okay, I'm gonna take it out. I'm gonna reverse it and then plug it in. So as long as you don't yank it back, this way or whatever, then it should be working fine. Okay, because I'm trying to do the video at the same time, moving around, and it's tilting at different angles, so that's why you see it's on and off charging. Maybe you set your devices on the table or on where you want to charge, and just leave the magnetizer in. It should be no problem. Okay. And this work with all of the Android devices and Apple. as long as you have micro USB charging adapter, it will apply to all the micro USB charging USB type. Micro USB connector. Then you could use this charger. It's like a MagSafe with the magnetized. So I'm pretty glad that I've purchased this product to show you guys. Hopefully you could go out there and purchase your own. So please share this with your friends or family or on social media, and make sure you give a thumbs up and like this video, and subscribe to our channel so you don't want miss out any of the new product coming out, or unboxing, or do any of the reviews. Thank you for watching, and if you got any question, please drop a comment on below or share your comments. Okay, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.